Students, I hope you all fine. You all are fine and safe. Today I am here with a new topic that is phonic sound. So what is phonic sound? As you all know that there are 26 alphabets and each alphabet has their own sound. So today we are going to learn the phonic sound. So these all are the alphabets. These are the phonic sounds in Hindi, and these are all the spelling with according to their sound. So let's begin. So students, repeat after me. It's a, ant, a, ant, b, b, bat, b, bat, c, k, c, k, D, doll, D, doll, E, egg, E, egg, F, fan, F, fan, G, goat, G, goat, H, house, H, house, I, eyes, I, eyes. Let's go to the another alphabet. J, jam, J, jam, K, kangaroo, K, kangaroo, L, lips, L, lips, M, mouth, M, mouth, N, nest, N, nest, O, owl, O, owl, P, parrot, P, parrot, Q, queen, Q, queen, R, rose, R, rose, S, sun, S, sun, T, tent, T, tent, U, up, U, up, V, van, V, van, W, web, W, web, X, box, X, box, Y, yak, Y, yak, Z, zoo, Z, zoo. So student, these all are the phonic sound. Now I'm going to show you the phonic sound poem. So let's watch.
Let's learn and sing the letters and their sounds. Sing along. A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cookie, cookie, cookie. D is for daddy, daddy. E is for elbow, elbow, elbow. F is for funny, funny. G is for go, go. H is for happy, happy. I is for in. J is for juice, juice. K is for kick, kick. L is for look. M is for mommy, mommy. N is for no. O is for off. P is for play, play. Q is for quiet, quiet, quiet. R is for red, red. S is for stop, stop, stop. T is for toilet, toilet. U is for up, up. V is for voice, voice. W is for water, water. X is for X. Y is for yes, yes. Z is for zero, zero.
So students, I hope you like the video. So it's your homework to learn the all phonic sound with the correct pronunciation, with the correct sound. So I'll come with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.